This is Unboxed Burrito. Here is the Chappelle Show Complete Series DVD set. It has all his stand-up routines and sketch comedy episodes. His show aired from 2003 to 2006, and it contains 2.5 seasons with unaired sketches, bloopers, and deleted scenes. It all comes in one DVD case that has the same artwork as the DVD box it comes in. There are 6 discs, 2 for season 1, 3 for season 2, the first 2 are the season, and the third is just bonus features. And the last disc is the lost episodes, which is technically half of a season 3 before his show ended. Behind the discs are quotes from his sketches. Good old early millennial comedy right here. Here are some of the close-up scans of his pages, and this is what the menu looks like. Thanks for watching. Sub, like, and comment if you want.
What's the best show on TV? Go ahead, man. Don't listen. You got to listen to me. Let me blow. How much money we make, man? I don't know.